sa ka mag-break time. Balik sa kasi ka.
Yan na naulan ika.
The Girl Scout promised in unison, on my honor, I will do my duty to God and my country, to help other people of all kinds and to live by the Girl Scout law. The Girl Scout law. A Girl Scout's honor is to be trusted. A Girl